Bonjour français toi. Voici la vidéo pour le verbe venir et aussi le passé récent. For today, okay, this is our goal. Okay, le but is how to conjugate and use the irregular verb venir, to come, and the passé récent. Okay, so let's just start off with our conjugation for venir. Okay, remember venir means to come. So we have je viens, tu viens, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent. Okay, so I come and you come, he or she comes, we come, y'all come, and they come. Okay, so there's a couple of points that actually go along with this. On this side, what you have are the ones that are going to be conjugated with avoir in the passé composé. Okay, so if we're trying to say I hold or I held something, or I maintained something, or I retained something, what I'm going to use is avoir. Okay, so j'ai tenu, j'ai maintenu, j'ai retenu. That's what you're going to use for that. Now, these are all conjugated just like you conjugated venir, all conjugated similarly. Okay. Then the other side is devenir et revenir. Okay, and those in the passé composé are going to be conjugated with être. So je suis devenu, I became. Je suis revenu, I came back. Okay. So those two are just related to the passé composé, so you know. Okay. So really quickly, let's just look at a couple of other parts. Right here, what we have is tien and tenez. So tien and tenez, basically this is a familiar and this is formal. And it's just a way of saying like here, as if you're like handing somebody something. So if I was handing you the sticky note, I would say tien ou tenez. So it's kind of like I'm handing it to you. Et ici, c'est un exemple pour venir. Okay, do you come here often? Vous venez souvent ici? Okay, so that's just a little bit of an example made. You guys know how to conjugate. Then let's move on to the rest of this. Okay, so venir pour le passé composé, you're going to use être. Okay, et le past participle is venu. So if I was going to say they came last Friday, I would say ils sont venus vendredi dernier. D'accord? Remember, because it's using être in the passé composé has to agree in gender and number. So ça c'est la raison pour le S. Okay, that's the reason for the S. You have to agree in gender and number. This is plural, so I'm going to do S. If it was a group of girls, I would have an ES. Okay, ES. D'accord. That is the verb venir. Okay. Just make sure that you know how to conjugate it. We're going to do a lot of practice with this verb and its conjugations and the other ones that are conjugated similarly. D'accord. You keep going on. Now we have le passé récent, okay? And le passé récent is just used to say that something has just happened, okay? I just saw a fight. I just had that class. I just ate lunch. Whatever it is, it just happened, okay? So, pour utiliser le passé récent, tu vas utiliser venir with de and an infinitive, okay? Remember, infinitive is just an unconjugated verb. And you'll say something just happened. Okay, so an example, say, I just had a snack in my room. Okay, just had a snack. So you would use je viens, use venir, de, and the infinitive, prendre. It's unconjugated, it's not conjugated, okay? So je viens de prendre mon goûter dans ma chambre. I just had a snack in my room. D'accord? Okay, another one, un autre, et we just watched that show. Nous venons de regarder cette émission, okay? Venons, venir, de, et regarder. Et ça, c'est l'infinitif, ok? D'accord. Et ça, c'est pour le passé récent. Et je vais tourner la page un moment. Ici, c'est depuis, pendant, et il y a, okay? So there are these three things that you're going to need to know how to do. And the first one is basically just to say something happened at a certain time ago in the past. Okay, tu veux utiliser il y a plus a time ago. Okay, so to say something just happened at a certain time ago in the past, use il y a plus that time. And an exemple de ça is an hour ago, okay? Say il y a and then une heure. Okay, you use il y a and the time ago. It was 1 hour ago, so I'm going to use une heure. Okay? To say something has happened for a particular period of time that has ended, okay, you're going to use pendant plus a period of time. So if I wanted to say, Salem washed the dishes for 2 hours, okay, that is a particular period of time and it has ended. He washed them. It was in the past. It was in the past, okay? And so you washed the dishes for 2 hours. So Salim a fait la vaisselle pendant 2 heures, d'accord? La prochaine, c'est to say something that has been going on since a particular time and continues, okay? You're going to use depuis, okay? Use depuis plus the period of time. So an example, say she's been dancing since she arrived at the party. So elle danse depuis son arrivée à la fête. So she's been dancing since depuis son arrivée à la fête. Okay? Make sure that you have these notes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Okay? When I see you guys next week, we will do a lot of practice. Okay. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.